Hello students, welcome back. In our previous video, we have discussed central processing unit, input devices, memory and storage devices. In this video, we'll discuss output devices and classification of computers. After the data has been processed, the computer system generates the output. Output is displayed on the output devices such as monitor, printer, projector and plotter, etc. A computer monitor, also called a visual display unit VDU, that displays the result of a process. The display can be in the form of both text and images. The information displayed on the monitor is known as a soft copy. Computer monitors are available in various sizes and types. Another type of output device is printer. A printer is used to print text or images on a sheet of paper. That output is known as a hard copy. As the output given by a printer is on a sheet of paper, therefore this output is known as a hard copy. Printers are of mainly two types: impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printer use a print head to strike an ink ribbon to give an impression on a sheet of paper. A dot matrix printer is an example of an impact printer. Non-impact printers. Printers that print without making any impact on the paper are called non-impact printer. Inkjet printers and laserjet printers are example of non-impact printers. Plotter. A plotter is also much like a printer but is used to produce high quality drawings. It draws continuous lines using a pen. These are more expensive than printers. Plotters are used to print design of aircrafts, ships, machines and plan for buildings. Another type of output device is LCD projector. LCD, liquid crystal display projector. This is used to display computer output on a large screen. You might have seen the LCD projector in our computer lab that is used to display the computer output on a large screen. Here one checkpoint is given. Let us see what is that. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash is the fourth operation performed by a computer system. Answer is storage. Number 2. The dash of the processor helps in communication between the memory and the ALU. The answer is CU, control unit. Number 3. RAM consists of dash. Answer is memory chips. Number 4. A dot matrix printer is an example of a dash printer. Answer is impact printer. Now we'll discuss the classification of computers. Computers are classified on the basis of their size and performance. Computers are generally classified into three types: microcomputers, mini computers and supercomputers. Microcomputers. A microcomputer is a small computer in which a microprocessor works as a central processing unit of this computer. A microprocessor is a computer processor in which all the components are part of a IC, that is integrated circuit or a chip. A microcomputer is used by a single person at a time. A few examples of microcomputers are desktop computers, personal computers. These are all used in offices, schools, homes and so on. Mini computers. These computers have more processing power than a microcomputers. They are used as servers in a network. They have more memory and can therefore store more data as compared to the microcomputers. Supercomputers. These computers are the most powerful computer in terms of processing speed and memory. They can execute billions of instructions per second. Can you imagine how fast these computers are? And where these computers are used? These computers are used for scientific research, weather forecasting, underground studies, etc. Few examples of these computers are Cray 1, BlueGen L, Param, PACE, etc. Students, we have come to the end of this chapter. Now we'll discuss summary of this chapter. Data is provided to the computer using an input device. Input device such as keyboard, mouse, OMR, MICR, barcode reader, scanner, etc. Processing of data is performed by the central processing unit of the computer, and the output is given by an output device such as monitor, printer, speaker, projector, etc. A computer performs 4 basic operations. These are input, process, output, and storage. The CPU has 3 main components: arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and memory unit. Primary memory is of 2 types, RAM and ROM. Some secondary storage devices are hard disk, CDs, DVDs, USB flash drives, and memory cards. Computers are generally classified into 3 types: microcomputers, mini computers, and supercomputers. Students, this is all about computer fundamentals. In our next video, we'll discuss the question answers. Till then, bye bye.